How to change your TikTok username without waiting for 30 days. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to change your username without waiting for 30 days. So let's get started. You can open up your TikTok app and this is where you will get. On TikTok, we can change our username once in 30 days. Let me actually show you. If I take you to profile right here and we click on edit profile, click on username, and if I change it, for example, to this name right here, and I click on save, you will be able to see that it says we cannot change our username for 30 days now. So if you have changed your name recently and now you want to change it again, there is some problem with it, or you spelled something wrong, how to change it. So for that, what you guys need to do is you will go to your settings by clicking on these three dots at the top right corner. You're going to click on settings and privacy. After that, you're going to scroll down a little bit to report a problem. It will take you right here. And then you're going to click on account and profile, editing profile, unable to change username, and now it will show you that how to change your username, and you can see it says can only be changed once in every 30 days. So now you're going to say no, because we know this, we need more help. And it will take us right here. What we're going to do is we're going to enter right here that I cannot change my name, and you're just going to write what your problem is, that you changed your name recently and you spelled something wrong or there is a mistake. Then you can also take a screenshot of your problem or make a video for the evidence. Click on submit. Let me actually do that quickly. You will write like this and make sure to enter your username that you have. Click on submit and it will be submitted. TikTok will get back to you in 24 hours and your problem will hopefully change and you will be able to change your username. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.